Hi Bob, my name is Heidi and I'm with Taylor & Son Chevrolet up in Sandpoint. This is the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 gas engine that you had some questions about. I'm going to go around the exterior of the vehicle, also the interior, and show you condition. Starting with the front of the vehicle, it's in good shape. I walked around earlier and it doesn't look like there's any dents or major scratches, nothing like that. Bumper's in good shape. Hood is in excellent condition. Maybe a little rock chip there. Coming along the passenger side, front fender is in great shape, no dents. Entire body is straight, like I said, there's no scratches or anything like that. That's a cobweb, I apologize for that. Bed is straight. It does have some caps on the bed rail. Diamond plate, which is kind of cool. Back bumper, no dents. No loading scratches on any of this either, which is kind of nice. Your tow package there. Open this up. The bed is in really great shape. Even the paint is in good shape back here without a bed liner. There is one small dent on that wheel well there on the driver's side. Otherwise, it's just a little bit dirty. Some scratches on here, but that's pretty normal. Driver's side, again, very straight, no dents, no scratches, very clean. Tire condition is excellent on both fronts and backs. The wheels are also in really great shape. No corrosion from any rocks, salt, or anything like that. They're all for an excellent condition. As far as the interior is concerned, it's very clean. No funny smells, no dog hair. Seats don't have any holes or tears. Carpet's in good shape. There's your trailer brake control there, steering wheel controls, and then all of your radio operations there, and climate control. Let's see, mileage on here. There's your mileage, 10,324 miles. This truck is in excellent condition. You will not be disappointed. A vehicle with 10,000 miles is practically brand new. If you have any other questions, Bob, please give us a call, 208-263-2138. Thanks, Bob.